In this video, I'm going to show you how to make recipes on MyFitnessPal. First and for all, go on search food. And from here, you can see on the third choice, the My Recipes. Just simply click on here and go on create a recipe. From here, please select a meal before adding first four. For example, we're going to choose here the breakfast. And from the breakfast, click on create recipe. Type the recipe name. And then after typing the informations, hit the next button on the top right corner. From here, click on add ingredients to choose a food sample that you want. For example, here we search chicken. To add this, just simply select one of the food choices here, and you can see the informations from this food. To add this food, select the check mark on the top right corner, and there you have it. Select the next button, select the save button. And that's how to make recipes on MyFitnessPal. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.